Well, with more storms on the way as we head over the next couple of days, there'll still be the chance of some microbursts in some of the storms. And want to revisit the storminess that we had late Saturday night, early Sunday morning. Here's the radar from that. And we had a thunderstorm that developed just north and west of Lafayette. And as it moved through Lafayette, portions of Vermilion and Iberia Parish, it became a supercell thunderstorm where it had its own circulation going. And more than likely, it did not produce a tornado, but it produced a microburst, probably 80 to 90 mile per hour winds, if not more. And we've seen that several times. So how does this occur? Well, you get a standard thunderstorm and you have updrafts and downdrafts in these thunderstorms. But this type of pattern, we also have some drier and colder air aloft, which allows for more instability in the storms to develop even more so. And you get these strong updrafts and then downdrafts. As you get those updrafts, it cools and that colder air goes down to the ground. Sometimes we see multiple trips, round trips. That's when we get the large hail as well. And then eventually the storm can't keep doing the updrafts and downdrafts, and the cold air comes down with a downpour or some hail, and that's what knocks over trees. And around here we've seen anywhere between 60 and probably 100 mile per hour winds with some of the big mesoconvective clusters we've had over the going back to the middle part of May. And you see that one storm, it did a lot of damage as it went down through Iberia Parish. So we might see more of that down the line. Now let's take a look at the radar, see what's going on here. And it is busy up toward the northern and the central part of the state. And when I left you earlier today, I said we're going to have to be on the lookout for the tail end of this big thunderstorm complex. I think we're starting to see a little moisture popping up close to home, and some of this energy will come in later on tonight. So we do have some rain chances overnight tonight. Latest HER model kind of capturing those showers. This is valid for about 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning. Then we head into tomorrow, and here comes another mesoconvective cluster. Will it impact Acadiana? Probably so in some way, shape, or form, and we probably will do it again on Wednesday. Near term, here's your 24-hour forecast. We're talking highs in the lower 90s. Most of the day tomorrow is going to be a sunny and hot day, but at some point we're going to see the risk of maybe some strong storms. There's a low and severe weather risk in our area. We'll talk more about that, and hopefully a better looking forecast for the weekend coming up in just a little bit.